One sunny morning, little Zara put on her explorer hat, grabbed her binoculars, and set off on an exciting jungle adventure. As she tiptoed through the tall green trees, she heard rustling leaves and mysterious sounds all around her. "Who's there?" Zara whispered. Suddenly, a playful monkey swung down from a vine, chattering, "Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, come join the jungle parade." Zara clapped her hands. "A parade? That sounds fun." Just then, a colorful parrot landed on her shoulder, squawking, "Follow me, follow me." As Zara walked deeper into the jungle, she met more animal friends. A big gray elephant trumpeted happily, spraying water from its trunk. A friendly lion with a fluffy mane gave a mighty roar. But don't worry, he was just saying hello. A tall giraffe munched on leaves and smiled down at her. A silly snake slithered in zigzags, giggling, "Hiss, hiss, try to catch me." Zara laughed as all the animals lined up, marching together in the jungle parade. The monkeys swung, the elephants stomped, and the parrots sang a silly song. Jungle friends big and small were the wildest ones of all. Stomp like elephants, roar like lions, dance with Zara in the jungle sky-high ends. As the sun began to set, Zara waved goodbye to her new friends. "Thank you for the best adventure ever," the parrot chirped. "Come back soon, Explorer Zara." And with a happy heart, Zara skipped home, dreaming of her next jungle adventure.